This is stuck open, and then I can't get the fucking door to come open, so that is one of the issues. Camper shell, probably just get rid of this whole camper shell. Camper shell has a crack on top. All 4 tires need to be replaced. They're cracked all the way around. This is the back of the truck. I mean, got a bunch of stuff in there. Interior. Got a rip there. Solid bench interior. Dashboard is good. 124,000 miles. 100,000 actual second engine. Doesn't overheat. Check engine light will continue to flash because I have the emissions. It's capped off. So it's capped off. You will not pass smog due to that reason. Here's your intake. Your motor. Rest of the interior, you got no radio, aftermarket charger, AC don't work, heater works.